Understanding the phrase, keel over. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into the phrase, keel over. It's a common expression in the English language, and understanding it can help you sound more like a native speaker. Let's unravel its meaning and usage. The phrase, keel over, has nautical origins. The keel is the main structural component of a ship that runs from the bow to the stern. If a ship were to turn over or capsize, it would be showing its keel. So, when someone says, keel over, they're figuratively referring to someone or something falling over just as a ship might. When used in everyday conversation, keel over generally refers to someone suddenly collapsing or fainting. It can be due to surprise, shock, health reasons, or exhaustion. For example, after running the marathon, he was so exhausted that he keeled over. She keeled over from laughter after hearing the joke. It's crucial to understand the context in which keel over is used. While it's often employed in a humorous or exaggerated manner, it can also be used in serious situations, especially when referring to health-related incidents. Tip: always gauge the tone and context of the conversation to determine the appropriate response. We hope this explainer has shed light on the phrase, keel over. English is full of fascinating idioms and expressions, and understanding them not only improves your vocabulary but also enriches your cultural understanding. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.